So a short summary and why I had problems with this exhaust. The flange was a little bit too far away from the end of the pipe, so it was pipe against pipe instead flange against ceiling. And I really appreciate the customer service of this company, because I wrote the problem and I could send the whole Catback back to them and I got the money. That was amazing. Packaging. These were 4 layers. The first one were the wrap, then this cardboard, then another wrap and this soft form stuff. You can choose the diameter of the exhaust tip and how it should look like, I think, and you can order without any problem. So thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.